Ayy, I fuck with the beat, man. You know, I fuck with some real shit up on this. Ayy, my bitch keep telling me to eat, she know a nigga stressed. For all the shit that I've been through, she know I keep that weapon. These unknown numbers keep on calling, got me feeling reckless. But every time I gotta answer, cause I'm flipping checks. I pop them pills and roll my blunts, that's when I feel the best. I swear these trials and tribulations got me through the test. Look at the life that I done lived, like can you take a rest? But I ain't get these second chances just to sit and act a fool again. Ayy, on the move like shit. Lost my vision once before I had the movement. Trying to scoop up every unit. Got your baby mama toothless in the stool like shit. A couple stacks up in the back like where the fuck he get that? She twerking upside down, I'm smoking like a chimney. Don't get your feelings hurt, I kept it real, that's you who came for with me. So I cut it like it hanging, separate, no concentration. When you see me around the city, know that shit ain't worth the hate. And if you lost and I can't find you, I got plenty navigation. For the time I spent beside you, thought that shit could actually mean it. You switched over, ain't no channels, but I'm linked up like receivers. Try to argue with a nigga, but ain't never got it. Fully loaded like a charger, credit union there tomorrow. Know I say the shit I mean and do the things I need to be. Ain't asking for you to remember all the shit that you can see. But just know every time I fall, I bounce right back like niggas please. And all the time your family doubted they ain't want what's good for me. So how the fuck you trying to grow without the roots of you a tree? Just know I stay up on the grind, the profit, only thing I see. I close my eyes too many times and almost died up in my dream. I tell my story on this beat to help me leave reality. Some ain't gon' like what I'ma say, but I ain't tripping off you big. I'll just tell it how it is. So many close to slept on me. Been on the mission every day just trying to make the legacy. Nigga been about the money way before the jump. A couple hundreds in a stupid pocket bump. I was getting out of hand, my shit was losing flow. Don't worry about it, tech, I got this shit in motion. Dancing on my wrist like this. Bitch, but I just tell you, I don't like to take. Don't fuck with too many people, feel like it's religion. Can't fuck with too many people, feel like it's religion.